Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's recipe is for healthy vegetarian gumbo. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take a large frying pan and we spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. To that then we're going to add some celery, some onions, and some crushed garlic. Then we're going to cook that on a medium heat for a couple of minutes, just until the onions start to go translucent. Now folks, if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. Once the onions and celery have softened a touch, we're going to add some more vegetables. Now we're going to add some chopped mushrooms, some chopped courgette or zucchini, some mixed peppers. Give that a quick stir around. Just let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to start with our seasoning. So we add some Cajun paste. Then we add some smoked paprika, dried thyme, chili flakes, dried oregano, and some tomato puree or tomato paste. Give that a quick stir around, cook it for a couple of minutes just to cook out the herbs, the paste and the tomato puree. Now we're going to start to add our liquids. So we add some Worcester sauce, some apple cider vinegar, some soy sauce, some hot sauce, the amount depending on how hot you want your gumbo to be, a bay leaf, you can use dried, I've just used fresh from the garden, some chopped tomatoes, and some veg stock. Now obviously homemade is best, but if not, just use a stock cube. Give that a quick stir around, get all the flavours incorporated, and then we're going to let it cook. So on a medium heat, we'll let it simmer for about 30 minutes until the veg is soft and the sauce is sticking. We remove the bay leaf, just give that a quick stir around, and now we're ready to serve. So I serve my vegetarian gumbo with boiled rice, but you can serve yours over potatoes or you can serve it just on its own. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.